Welcome back to our channel Mrs. Diva, where we are going to share with you some amazing work from home business ideas. After our last video, a lot of you painters and artists message us to ask, is it possible to earn from existing paintings? The answer is a big yes. You can sell your art online and make good money. But just like any other business, it needs consistent marketing efforts. Some of you have been asking me, how can you sell your existing pieces online to make money? Here is my suggestion. Selling art online has to be systematic and planned. You have to be sure which platform you would like to use to sell it. And here are a few options for you. So the first thing is, once you have decided to sell your art online, get your own website to showcase your art. Post pictures with your watermark and mention your price there. These websites can be made free of cost through various sites like WordPress.com or Wix.com. To pique the interest of other people, write a small blog with it every time you make an art. The audience will be able to connect with the backstory better in this case. Next thing to do is to make your Facebook and Instagram pages and keep sharing your website links or the links to the site where you are selling your art. Always ask your clients to leave you a feedback. They come in very handy for establishing trust amongst your target audience. Now, social media plays a very important part in establishing you as an artist and finally helping you in getting orders. Think about joining various groups related to artists, interior decorations, or other art forms like murals, graffiti, etc. Be very active on these groups and make sure to respond if any other group member is looking for artists or designs or even art. Also, try to make high engagement posts on your Facebook page. And next, you can connect with various designers and architects online and offline and offer them competitive rates of commission for using your artwork. Apart from this, you can also sell your art using various websites like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Saatchi Art, Art Finder, Artsy, Fine Art, etc. Please check if these services are available in your country, what is the mode of payment, commission to be paid to them per sale basis, and any other terms and conditions. And then Instagram and Pinterest are very useful in showcasing your talent. Keep sharing pictures of your incomplete art, colors you're using, emotions you're experiencing during the whole process, and consider this as a visual storytelling process so that your target audience is able to connect with you in a much better way. A lot of startup offices, cafes, and co-working spaces are always on the lookout for motivational art, graffiti artists, wall designers, and their work. Choose your niche and pitch your services to them online. If you don't wish to go to the site, you can simply sell your design online and accept the payment through PayPal or Paytm. And finally, you can add witty one-liners or motivational quotes to your art or design and sell it in a downloadable printable format which your customers can use as posters. Now, a pro tip for you. Along with selling your art online, participate in exhibitions to sell your existing work or organize a small exhibition at your home itself and you can sell your art. If you don't have space at your home, you can rent out a hall to showcase and sell your work. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our ideas, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, sisters, mother, or any other women who you think should be financially independent. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments below or connect with us on WhatsApp or Facebook. Please find all our social media links in the description below. Thank you.